Welcome back to my daily Tesla briefing. I hope you're all doing lovely. Let's get straight to our business, shall we? So, chaired by Speaker Kembuslam Tempela, the fourth day of the 17th Tibetan Parliament-in-Exile's fourth session convened at 9:30 this morning. The session started with an official bill of commemoration and obituary to Queen Elizabeth II, who passed away the day before at the age of 96. This was followed by an observation of a minute of silence by the House. So, as per the business of the day, continued with a passage of legislative proposals in the Parliament of first and second reading. Sikyong Pembasinla, on behalf of Tibetan Supreme Justice Commission, introduced the bill for legislative proposal to Article 63, Clause 3 of the Charter of the Tibetan Exile. To give you a backdrop, a bill undergoes 3 readings in the House before it is submitted to Sikyong for assent in the form of his signature. After the bill is laid on the table, Honorable Speaker will seek an objection to or support for the motion towards the first reading. If there is no objection, then it is a unanimous passage for the first reading, whereas if there is any objection, a 2/3 of the total number of chitu will be counted. So it's either rejected entirely then, or it has a safe passage. So the first stage constitutes discussion on the principles of the bill, any corrections in terms of mistakes in the linguistic form or queries on the terminology of the amendment. A bill can be introduced either by Tuzo Parliament, Kasha, or Chedatimshikang. Each query, as per the requirement, must be answered by the concerned proposing authority, and accordingly, it shall be transmitted for the second reading with 2/3 of total chitu, or might be dropped. The second reading consists of a word-by-word consideration of the bill through any proposal amendment from the members of the House. The bill shall transpire the same voting process into the finalizing. The third reading refers to the discussion on the motion that the bill itself or the bill as amended be passed. So after a bill has been finally passed by the Parliament, it is submitted to Honorable Sikyong for her or his assent. If after a bill has received the assent of Sikyong, it then becomes the law. So today's introduction of the bill for legislative proposal passed the first reading, and as we proceeded on to the second reading deliberation, the House experienced much interventions leading to a walkout. Legislatures actually requires a specific quorum of the members to be present in order to conduct official businesses such as debating or vote on legislation, of course. So I genuinely believe that a decision by one or a group of chitu, or even kasha for that matter, is a personal call and freedom that must be respected as a peaceful expression of opinion. Like, it's a chitu's decision to sit in the House as an expression. Likewise, it is also a democratic expression to walk out of the House. So, Honorable Speaker adjourned the House till 1:30 p.m. today, and when the House resumed, he announced the House to proceed with the continuation of debate on 2021 to 2022's overall reports of the Department of Homes. However, fewer present members caused a lack of quorum. So, as per protocol, Honorable Speaker, at the beginning of the sitting, when the quorum is not met, he rings the bill for a few minutes, and a counting is then taken. If the quorum is still not met, the sitting is adjourned till the next sitting day. Hence, on that basis, the pending parliamentary proceeding will continue on the coming Monday. So, with hectic couple of Thursday weekdays, I would appreciate a relaxing Sunday for a conducive mental health. I hope you all also have a restful weekend and have a lovely time with your family and friends. And I'll see you all on Monday, hopefully with an update from Tezo of entire day. So stay tuned, and I'll see you on Monday. That's it.